Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your driver's license to Apple Wallet in the UK in 2026. So you need to first of all understand that as of 2026, you can't officially add a UK driving license to the Apple Wallet. The DVLA has not yet released full support for digital IDs inside Apple Wallet, unlike some US states. So Apple Wallet ID support depends on government approval. The UK is working on the digital identity systems, but there is no official rollout for the wallet yet. So if you don't see an option, that's completely normal. Right now, your best options are carry your physical driving license, or you can use the official government.uk services if digital ID becomes available in the future. A screenshot or the custom wallet pass is not a legally valid ID. Once DVLA officially supports digital IDs, you will be able to add it directly through a government app with an Add to Apple Wallet option. Until then, there is no real workaround of it. So if this video helped you understand, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.